unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Fixing a flat tire with a tire repair kit involves several steps. First, remove the object that caused the puncture if it's still in the tire. Next, clean the hole with the reaming tool provided in your kit to ensure the plug can adhere properly. Thread the repair cord through the insertion tool, then apply rubber cement, if included, to the plug or hole. Push the plug through the hole until it's about 2/3 of the way in. Then quickly pull the tool out, leaving the plug in the tire. Cut off any excess plug material sticking out. Remember, this is a temporary fix, and you should get the tire professionally repaired or replaced as soon as possible.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.